How to install the system. First, you can download the system from the official Microsoft website or the official Chatry website. Go to the FAQ page and find the answer to how to install the system. The link to enter the system download page. Select the second option to download the system. Choose to store it on a USB drive. During the download process, you will need to find an empty USB drive or hard drive. This will allow us to select USB. Boot during system installation, making the installation process smoother. You need to follow the steps and select your preferred language. It's important to remember to uncheck the box option when selecting language options. Select USB flash storage. Connect the USB drive to the computer. After turning on your computer, press the F7 key to enter the BIOS and select the USB drive as the boot device. Choose your language settings and keyboard settings. Choose to install Windows 11 Pro. When choosing a product key, select the option to install without a key. Choose to install Windows 11 Pro. Accept terms. Delete all removable partitions on the computer. Choose Disk 0 to install the system, and click Next. Click to install. During system installation, all data on the hard drive will be erased, so it's necessary to back up important files before reinstalling the system. Power outages during system installation may cause your computer to fail to start. Enter system settings after installation. Select country and language. Skip keyboard setup. Configure network settings. Some devices can identify Wi-Fi networks and connect directly, while others cannot identify wireless networks and require a wired Ethernet connection to operate. The system will check for updates after connecting to the network. You can set your computer name. Set up for personal use. Sign into your Microsoft account, enter your password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Set your PIN. Enter the same PIN twice, then click the Yes button. Set up privacy, then click Next. Choose to set up a new computer. After setup is complete, the computer will proceed to the next steps. Set up as needed. The computer system installation is complete after setup. After installing the system, we also need to install the drivers. You can also download them from the official Chatry website. Go to the support page. Select the drivers for the corresponding model, and click Download. Open the downloaded driver file, select the option to install the driver. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Your computer will automatically install it. Keep your computer turned on during driver installation, and do not use the computer. The computer is ready to use after the driver installation is complete.